Hi everyone. So this is the video to help you with practical task 25. We are going to use the match and the index function to do this activity. So first open your textbook on page 143, or if we're using the digital copy, just on page 2 over here. It's actually on the original digital copy, page 26. So we are just going to create an index function in C10 to find the full name of the fifth day of the week. So we need to find the fifth day of the week. So we're going to say index. We need to find the array. So they didn't specify that we have to name it anything, so we're just going to use this. So they didn't say if it should be Monday, German, or the full day version, so I'm just going to choose this B version over here, and it should be the fifth day of the week, and the column is going to be column 2. Oh no, I messed that up, sorry. So it's going to be this whole range. It's going to be the fifth day, and we're going to use column 2 to find the value for that. So the fifth day of the week is Friday. Then now they say we need to find the second day of the week using the index, so of this whole array. Otherwise there's no point that we have to just choose one row, so we use the whole array. The row number, so we're looking for the second day of the week, so the second day of the week, and they want it in code. So it's going to be this first column. So we say first column, and it's Tuesday, so it makes sense. Now, this is actually the part that I really like, because for me, Excel is a gateway to coding, and the way that you think about these formulas, the more difficult they are to try and do, the better they are. But what I try to say here, for the third instruction, make a function that takes the value of a written out day from the user, so let's say Tuesday, and let the computer generate the 3-letter version, the full name, and the German names. So over here, if I press enter over there, I want a 3-letter version, the day, and the German. So normally it would be fine if we just have to find the 3-letter word for index. So usually the first thing that you will do is you just make it so that you hard code it. So for now we're just going to put the index. We want to find the 3-letter one for Tuesday. So usually we need to put in Tuesday, which is the second day of the week. And the 3-letter version is in the first column. So we got that. We also know how to find the day, so it's going to be index. We find it in this array over here. The row number, so again we're working with Tuesday, so we're looking for 2. And the column number for the day is going to be the second column, because we have 1, 2, 3. And for German, it's index. I don't have to retype all of this, but it's just to show you how I'm thinking about this. The row number, so first try this on your own as well, before looking at how I'm going to go further from this, but try so that if I type in Wednesday, all of this should update accordingly. So we know the row number is 2, and to find the German, it's going to be 3. So the one thing that all of them have in common is they have the same array, so all of them are using this array, and all of them are using the second row, because we know that this is in the second row. But there is a function that we've learned about that tells us the position of something in a row. So when I type in Tuesday, so if I use my match function, my lookup value is Tuesday. I am looking for Tuesday in this one over here. The lookup array, sorry. I am looking for this value in this array, so it must find Tuesday, and we want the exact match. So I want the exact position, which is 0, It's not the position, the 0 is not the position, that's just the type to tell me what I'm looking for. If I press enter now, it should give me 2. And it does. If I type in Wednesday, it should give me over here a 3. So we've just generated a formula just to find the row number. So now, instead of saying 2 every time putting it in there, we can say, using our match function, okay, I like to first close my functions when I create them. Luckily, this version of Excel just creates colored ones over there, which is really nice. Okay, so we're looking for the lookup value. We want to find this value over here. We don't want to change where that is from, so you can use the hashtag to lock the column, and we can not the hashtag, we can use the $sign for locking the column and locking the rows. You can do it that way, or you can give this cell over here a name, and then that would also absolute value it. The lookup array is here, so we're looking for this value in this list, and we want to know the exact match. So remember, this whole formula over here gives us the position of this typed in value from the user, and it will give us a 3. So all of this right now equals to 3. So if I press enter, it's going to give me Wednesday and not Tuesday anymore. So I should be able, so let's just give this a better name. Let's call this just call them days. Okay, so I'm going to call that days, and I'm going to say in my formula days. So in my days, open my book days, find the position of our user input. Like I prefer, it's not wrong using the dollar signs, but I would prefer that we rename this as user input, or you can even say day input. Now instead of saying F14, we can say day input. And since the day input needs to be from this list over here, we can just call this written out days. So over here, let's say written days. Let's say full day. You can call it whatever you like. I'm just trying to think of what makes sense to me. So I'm gonna say full day. It's just so that the formula is easier to follow. So open the book days, find the position, so find the position of where my user has put in a value in this list over here, and give me the exact value. So that's what we have. So in this case, it's going to open all of this. It's going to give me the exact value, Wednesday, which is going to be 1, 2, 3. So in the index one, it's going to look up the array over there. So we have the row number. So 1, 2, 3. So give us the row number 1, 2, 3. So it's over here. And now we specify the column because we want the 3-letter one. So the 3-letter one. So in the third row, give me Wednesday. And that's perfect. So now if I drag this down, all I have to change now. So for the full day, it's not in the first column. It's in the second column. German is not in the first column, it's in the third column. So there you go. So anything I type in now, and this is what I really like. It's really like coding. I'm not sure if you like coding, but I really do. It's like a gateway to coding. So now I get a user input Monday. So I want the computer to work out what is the 3-letter version, the day version, and the German version. So this is really cool. Friday, it just gives you all of that. And then you can even add in things here like what day. Okay, I don't. You can say it's the seventh day or whatever. So you can make really nice things with the formula. So this is where the match formula, the match function, you'll use it. So you find the value of a row, so the row number. So that's really nice. So yeah, so I just want you to show me the formula for how you find this, and you can just submit this specific. I just want to show the formula. You can just submit the PDF of a screenshot of this, and I also want you to submit the Excel in this document. So I hope everything is clear, and enjoy the rest of your day.